Hello, children. Welcome to Come Sing With Us, a channel where you can watch songs, listen to stories, and now even learn cool facts about wild animals. That's right, we have put together a quick video for you with facts about lions. Roar! Before we start, please make sure to hit subscribe and the bell icon to make sure you're the first to see our new videos. Okay, let's dive in. A lion is the king of the jungle, but have you ever asked why? Is it just because its mane looks like a crown? No, it is because of their raw power and strength, and because they fear no other animals. Lions belong to the family of cats. They are the second biggest cats in the world. Do you know which is the biggest cat in the world? Yes, it is the tiger. Would you like to learn about the tigers? Let us know in the comment section. Only male lions boast of manes, which is an impressive fringe of long hair that encircles their heads. The lioness does not have a mane. Lions have a short tawny coat. The color of the lion's coat is similar to that of the dry grass it walks around in, and so is perfect camouflage for sneaking up on its prey. Lions also have tufted tails. The lion is the only member of the cat family to have a tassel at the tip of the tail. You did not know that, did you? Go check a cat. Its tail is very different from the lion's tail. A lion's lifespan is 15 years in the wild. Lions have sharp hooked claws that can retract or extend at will. The pads on their feet protect their paws from the rough ground they walk on. They have sharp teeth that are perfect for chomping, biting, and chewing up meat. I know I would not want to be anywhere close to those teeth. They are the only cats that live in groups. The group is called a pride. Prides are family units that include up to 3 males, a dozen or so females, and their young ones. How much is a dozen? Do you know? Yes, you are right. A dozen is 12. The male lion is called a tom. The female is called a lioness or a she-lion. Lions as well as lionesses rub each other in greeting. And the young one is called a cub, a whelp, or a lionette. Oh, aren't they cute? Lions have litters of 1 to 5 young ones. Lion cubs have spots on their skin at birth that disappear with age. Lionesses of the pride have a lot of work to do. Not only do they hunt to feed the pride, they also look after the cubs. When the mother of the cub goes out to hunt, the other lionesses babysit the cubs. Living in prides helps lions survive in difficult times. This also helps protect young cubs that need protection from other animals. Lionesses usually stay with the pride throughout their life. However, young lions are driven out. All of a pride's lionesses are related, and female cubs typically stay with the group as they age. The male lions of a group hardly hunt. The lionesses are the ones who hunt. They are smaller and quicker than the males and don't have a mane that will make them easy to spot. Even though lionesses make the hunt, they eat the prey only after the males have had their fill. The cubs eat after the lionesses. The diet of a lion consists of meat, both large and small animals. They eat deer, antelope, wild boar, and buffalo. After eating, a thirsty lion drinks water for as long as 20 minutes. Male lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day. In a circus, it is the lioness that does the tricks, as the male lion is far too lazy to learn. There are African lions and Asian lions. African lions mainly stick to the grasslands, scrub, or open woodlands where they can move easily to hunt their prey, but they can live in most habitats aside from tropical rainforests and deserts. India is the only known place in the world with wild Asian lions. These animals are the most endangered large carnivores in the world. The common habitat of a lion in Asia is both plains and woodlands. Around 200 Asian lions live in zoos. The Asian lion is smaller than the African lion, has a much shorter mane and a fold of skin under the belly. There are white lions too. White lions have a rare recessive trait that causes their white skin coloration. Male white lions may have white, blonde, or pale hair in their manes and on the ends of their tails. Thousands of years ago, there were more species of lions, like the American lions and the cave lions of Eurasia. They went extinct 10,000 years ago alongside many other Ice Age animals. These were the largest species of lions that ever lived, larger than today's African lions. Lions make a lot of different sounds. I bet you did not know that. You do know that lions roar, but did you know they can't roar until the age of 2? The roar of a male lion can be heard from a distance of as much as 5 miles. Lions usually roar standing or crouching, but roaring is possible from any position. Lions also hum. Humming is the sound of contentment, like purring, that is emitted during affectionate interactions and while cubs nurse. Another sound they make is puffing. They do this when they approach each other with peaceable intentions. It's a faint f sound. And did you know lions woof? They do it when they are startled. So what do you think about our video on lions? Do you like it? Then hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come sing with us.